Welcome! If you want to manage app permissions in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20, for the first you have to move for the settings. Right now you have to go for the apps, and it will be probably right here. Yes, here it is. Right now tap on these three dots in the right upper corner and go for the permission manager. And here, for example, you can change the location info. So here we got the apps that are allowed all the time and get access to location. Google Chrome is allowed only when we are using, and there are apps that are denied with this location. So we can grant the permission maybe for the YouTube and also for the calendar if you want to set up some location info on your event. And of course you can try it with other apps. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!